Hi guys, if you want to know how to create this smoky liner look that I've created here, then just keep on watching. So I'm just taking a little bit of this Stay Matte powder and I'm just setting the eyelids. Then we're going in with this shade here and we're just going to create this simple, easy, smoky liner. Now I did want a kind of deep red, then I do just go in with the black shadow and this deep fine palette as well. So we're just taking a little smudger brush here that looks like this and we're just blending that out. Then I am taking a little bit of liner under my eyelids, so I'm like tight lining it. Then I'm just applying a little bit of mascara, a little bit of this half lash, and this is what it looked like. How stunning are these? Now, I wasn't really a fan of half lashes, but I am now because these are absolutely stunning. And again, we're just using that little smudger brush and we're just smoking this right out. I do take a little fine blending brush with no more product on it, and I just continue to blend that so it looks kind of smoky and kind of smudged out effect. We're not going for like a simple plain liner here, we're going a little bit smoky and stuff. So that is basically how I've done this. Then I just applied some eyeliner to the bottom of my waterline and I'm just smudging out that eyeshadow again on the bottom lashes as well. That's what we're doing, we're just smoking out that bottom lash there, we're just applying some mascara, and that is basically as simple and easy as that. Then I'm just going with Praline lip liner and we're just going with that, and I think it's a Revolution lipstick but we're just going in with that as well for this nude lip, and that is this look. Very simple, easy, smoky liner. And here I'm just finishing off the rest of my face. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little tutorial. It's something simple and easy from me, and let me know if you try it. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye!